came north coast to go fishing. To spend a night
The first fishing trip after Calrat SU.
Let's shout out to anybody.
The Pibos,
Auntie
Plato,
Barbara,
Beeman.
Harry, Uncle Fat Boy,
Yeah, all the Life Living crew, Auntie Barbara.
Right, and the
Sanjay.
Right, and this trip we had it on the north coast. Then we gonna make a trip with Harry and Plato with Life 11 to do a little fishing, and then we heading across Tobago for a week to do some fishing in Tobago. Oh yeah, let's shout out Toppy Outdoor Adventures as well too.
And JJ Graphics.
Yeah, Auntie Trisha and JJ Graphics as well. So we all catch us when we going down now. We gotta go down this mountain here, and you go see us. We go do a video halfway down, and let you know how the high going. So when you turn in the back, we are car coming down here. How the high going so far?
Tiring.
Tiring?
Now back.
You're back? Young boy like you?
You
Young boy like you? You're back out already?
You're a Spider-Man, girls.
You're a Spider-Man the fish?
Yeah.
Shoot some webs and catch fish today? You have anything to say all the SEA students?
I hope you do good.
And we have Nathan and Fatboy coming here. So the track, real grass grew up on it because like people not coming down here. Yeah.
Last time when we came down here, one hunter broke his foot.
Yeah.
And that was
About
like
3 years ago, yeah. So. Your backpack? Oh. A big spider on the floor.
Oh,
That's a big
a big banana spider.
The banana spider, Kyle? Ah, so Kyle called the name of the spider.
Look at on the other side. Daddy, chase it up a little bit. Daddy.
Yes, sir.
It have real long nails.
It
I
really
don't put your hands so close. I'm gassed.
So, down here is the water. We nearly reach the water. We have the team coming down here. Don't fall, you know. We have Nathan and Fatboy coming here. How are you going so far?
good. Yeah, good.
We gotta catch some fish. Yeah, these
Yeah,
spots we used to come. This is one of the first videos. We have, I think the second or third videos we ever make was down here. So we didn't come down here since then. So hopefully all will get some comments for some redfish. We tell Toppies Outdoor Adventure we come in for some redfish. We have a redfish bank here, we hoping we catch them today. And Kyle, you the redfish man?
And Daddy.
And the grouper.
And the
Yeah.
pag.
And who yours?
And the pag out of the olive, but not by the pag.
Yeah, a big pag. Yeah, so we now reach down this spot. Spot nasty. We are using his space. That was real nasty. So what we gonna try to do? We'll try to clean it up a little bit before we leave. What kind of plastic, tarpaulin. Now we just camp right here, but whoever come here last time got rubbish and pot, garbage, everything nasty. So we clean up the area. The tarpaulin we find on the ground, we make a makeshift tarpaulin, a shelter with it. And we put all the plastic up in the corner there. And so this is the camp for the night. We find our old tarpaulin, we make a camp with it. That's right, 23?
Yeah, that's all I think. That's the rubbish stuff.
Right. I know that one set up their hammock. So this is the makeshift thing we make for the night. This we got to spend the night here tonight. So we just go might light a fire and then go down and fish. I'm gonna clean up a few of these plastic bottles and rubbish that are around here. Yeah. So we come in to check out Oh man. Wash, I can't bend on the tree. Ah, I don't go in this tree here. We come in to check out the spring before we go and fish.
We come for fish tonight.
Yeah. There's a little waterfall going down here. It's a nice pool down there to go and bathe. We're going to check out it.
It was right on that truck when we are coming to and we had 3 on fish.
Yeah.
Fish?
Yeah.
Oh,
And we
it's a
come in
queen.
this
Yeah, I know.
spring now.
Yeah.
Over the water. That's the pool, right? Nice pool down there. 1, 2. We sure it. Good after that can take a dip right now and make it so hot. So, Nathan bringing something here. Oh, a grunt. Yeah, a full real hard boy.
Then he's bending around and thing.
Yeah.
No, but he's not a bad size.
Yeah, nice size grunt. Yeah, a little
You go
closer.
roasty one time.
Yeah, we go roasty tonight, yeah. So we got something going. High five. Alright, the boys and them come back out. That's a long retirement, but they come back out for them. They come back out. We now starting. If they grunt them that size, but that means it's a real fish. Yeah. Normally they don't get grunt that size, so. And Kyle here had the red fish, Nathan catch a grunt. So, he's fishing right now. Kyle, Nathan, fat boy. When we now come, it was getting some nice fish. But things slow down a little bit now. We have about, a red fish and about 3-4 grunt. And fishing are all slow down. So this is spot bait right now. I know. Out there. I'll keep all your posted to see if we catch anything again tonight. So this is the catch. We're gonna get dark by 6 o'clock, and we're going by the spring to take our bait. And I don't know if we might make a fish broth now, or they'll say what I was, see if they can catch some crayfish. So we taking a walk by the spring to get some water and seeing the fish. This was the catch. A red fish and a few grunts. Oh, 6 grunts? And can't catch 3 red fish. You can catch 3. Oh, they follow going all of the pass down here. Huh? Yeah, they want to go down there.
Cassie, you stick in your hand, eh?
On fat boy, they come in.
We all come down and clean the fish down there with all of them.
Cassie, you stick
Only
in
more
your
with
hand.
a light self. We will cast it
going
down.
in a river. I mean, in like.
We're going to get dark just now.
You ever run up on your uncle?
No worry.
Can I go
Careful,
fast?
I'll fall, eh?
You gotta go fast.
So we're going down by the spring. They have a little secret spot that is going, and it's supposed to have crayfish. So I don't know if they'll catch any.
I don't know about
They say they're going to catch this time.
No.
You better walk in front, yes, fat boy. Are you good? Yeah. So,
I just gotta get adjusted first and then I'll go.
car going in to see if we can catch some
Look at how
of these scrapers.
Oh my god!
You see in?
It's full! I feel like it. Actually, I want to plan it.
Put on the gloves if they're going up in the cave. Look at how much going up. I said going up. Put on the gloves and going. You will catch them in the cave.
Let me adjust it first. Let me
Alright.
just go in first. Okay.
So car go in to them.
I will catch them. Just now, I want stick man, but I want to go under the water. And I want to get my grip with the gloves. Ooh, it's ice cold.
Alright, when they get adjusted, we will record and see if we can catch any.
I just go in.
Alright, Nathan go in.
Wait a minute, let's pick up.
Yeah, I want to go in that corner quicker. See? I just now, actually.
They wait for you adjusted. Daddy, they wait for you adjusted. And now come in the water.
Okay, I could.
Got him?
Yeah.
It's freezing. Hey, I'm going to stick on it, right?
Alright, go ahead. We are putting on the gloves.
Nah, I don't get my grip. I hope it's not a crowd, eh?
That was saying, put the gloves and catch that crab.
A top, a top.
There's that crab. Put on your gloves.
I wouldn't feel them, like I said.
Okay, go on in.
Yeah.
I can't feel them.
Give me the glove, give me the glove.
I touched one and I hit my hand.
Give me the glove,
Oh,
Kyle.
that's someone in it.
You go in the middle, Nathan. Go in the
Money
middle.
that I go to the first.
Alright.
I touched one, I can't really feel it, but I tried to grab.
So when they catch one, we go start back recording, right? Because guy going on the little rock there. There we see.
Yeah, one time.
I feel like I have a small one.
Bringing them.
I also have a crab on the wall, I have a real small one.
Bringing them. You see them?
A real small, huh?
Put them in. That small one, what small one look like?
A real small.
A small scraper.
Them too small. I have a
Yeah.
crab on the wall, catch it?
A big one?
No.
No, leave them. By the spring here, be then. No fish, clean fish.
I was scared, I didn't feel this, you know.
And Kyle say you feel like crayfish.
Nathan, go and fish.
He said Nathan
I
going
didn't
fish.
feel it, right?
What you size of that claw?
I didn't feel it.
Measure it in here, measure it. In your
I
hand.
don't anything.
What you size of that claw?
I get frightened, and then
And
they
you-
tell me it just scraped us, but scraped us off Gandhi's. So I just went for it, right?
Yeah.
I grabbed this, pulling it out. I feel it hit me right there.
You get hit and you take him out.
Hopefully Nathan not scared, because all the
Oh.
time
Nathan say you're going to try and see if you can
it's
catch it.
right there.
How deep this one is?
You just have to push on. I
How
feel
deep
like
is this hole?
it's not too deep. I push down.
Very deep.
I push down, and then after it, you feel like a piece of stone in it, right? At the end, here and at the hole, but it's not too deep, so I couldn't reach it. You feel it was like a stone, so I pull it out.
Ah, this hole is very
Just
deep.
try, just keep
I
it
know,
up.
this is very deep.
So tonight, Kyle season he gondi and you got fresh slice of fish. Right. What we doing here? We making a pot bake. Yeah. A pot bake in the fireside here. And we have Nathan and Fat Boy one pot bake done already, cutting on the cheese and sausage. So that is the menu for tonight. Pot bake, cheese and sausage. Yeah, good living here tonight, boy. The pot bake. It's not shape all that great, but it's still a pot bake. We open it, tastes good. And Kyle wanna fry some fish. So when I went for Kyle throwing new fish in the pot, we go see how it looking. Yeah, Kyle? Is that big chef tonight? Do you use out all the secret seasoning, you know? Like for the fish broth in the morning.
Just good?
Yeah, that's enough. That's our secret seasoning for the fish broth. Kyle, go fry some fish and 2 crayfish gondi.
One.
Fry some crayfish gondi for the fish here.
What do you spoon?
Actually, some big spoon.
Yeah, I'm getting spoon.
Turn it already.
Oh!
Turn the crayfish gondi.
Out of
And turn the fish. Crayfish gondi and fish we frying. We'll let you know how it is.
Breaking it like the person.
So which one's tonight?
Like-
Hmm? Sorry.
Okay.
What do you also? Pot bake? What is it?
Very good.
And it's what you making?
Oh, so I just enough to make a small sandwich, but it's
You're
sandwich.
gonna make a pot baked sandwich
This
and
is
we
the
cook the
Gandhi
crayfish.
waffle out.
You let Kyle and Kyle eat it and you go let know how it tastes.
Yeah,
But right now it's
tonight
sausage and cheese.
we're going back from.
Yeah, we go
We're
back for
gonna
some
eat
more.
at the
The other
rest
one,
everybody.
the diving in water fit.
Yeah.
So this is the menu tonight.
And this here is
Yeah.
only scrapers. Scrapers is the dog Gandhi. And this dog bite
So
you.
you Friday, yeah, you get the crayfish gondi.
They're live.
Outside,
Or they're just
pitch
spitting.
black.
Right now it's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, and this big camp for tonight. The hammock over there. Where you have hammock, Fat Boy? Oh, Fat Boy, I said a purpose hammock. And easy food tonight. For tonight. Alright, so Pat, what do you taste? That's what you're gonna do.
Us no. Oh, look at this.
Now one time break out.
Never bite it.
Look.
Mm.
Oh, I got this. What do you got?
Yeah.
It'll be nice and meaty, boy. Break it.
I don't know. Look at this man. This is a big claw.
That's very big. That big.
And it never pinched too hard.
That's a real big crayfish.
Think about it.
What's up?
I'm going to taste it.
What is it?
It's kind of, it's so soft.
Daddy.
Sing t-shirt.